to another episode of Tool Shop, and tonight I'm going to be starting part 2 of the coal forge build, a new, better for coal forge. I made the fire pot in the last video, make sure to go check that out, I'll put a link in the description. So I'm doing 3/16 by 3x3 angle iron for 3 out of 4 sides. The 4th side is a backsplash that's going to have a range hood hooked up to it, so I stop breathing in the smoke finally, because that's very bad for you. I'm going to cut the angle iron I have to the correct length, going to start welding it on, and then and tack welded on the leg, and then tack weld in the braces on the bottom. It's 20 inches across here and 25 from inside to inside there. So it'll help me line up everything to make sure it's square, and then just weld it solid. So I did not include a lot of the actual building of this, main reason being for the fact that a lot of this was all repeated welding work. I did add on this 1/8 17 by 23 inch plate that I'm going to be eventually coming back and adding an exhaust fan over top of it to pull the smoke away, so I stop breathing it in, which is definitely very important. But I have a very nice, lovely sized bed, which is something I'm really looking forward to, as well as a big fire pot. And then I'm going to take this plate that I have here, I'm going to cut out 3 out of 4 of the corners, and I'm going to radius this one, that I'll just be able to, once this is welded in place, I'll be able to bolt it on, and then it can work as just a rotating ash dump. Let's weld this stuff onto it and give it a test. Very first test of the new coal forge. I got it all put together roughly. I'm not sure how much of this I'm going to tweak once I start using it, but this coal right here is a little bit of wood inside of it. I'm going to give it a test. So as you can see right under here, this is the ash dump. So there's a little, I have a nylon nut on it that I can open and close, but you can definitely see that there's a lot of air going through it. And that's, yeah, you guys can't even see that. But take a look at that, already up to white heat. Like, this thing is cooking all the way through. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This is part 2 of the coal forge build. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit thumbs up down below and comment what you thought. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. We'll see you in the next one.